Good morning. It's Thursday. It's the Bubba Show. It's actually Commodity Corner Thursday because tomorrow is Good Friday and Happy Easter to everybody, and the markets are closed. And looking at the commodity space, we talk about the risk-on, risk-off environment, and it appears to me that the market has now moved into a risk-off environment. As we look at the overall markets, we see that money is coming into the U.S. dollar and into the U.S. Treasuries again, which indicates there need to be some fear in the overall markets. So what we have to focus on is we are in developing a risk-off environment, which is consistent with a market that is potentially reaching a top. What you want to look here is we take a look at the grain markets. The grain markets have been in constant pressure and are all in what we would even consider bear markets, as they're all 20 and 30 and 35% from their absolute highs. Soybeans have shown a solid resistance at 1480. Every time they get there, they sell off. Corn seems to be the steadiest of the commodities, but still under selling pressure in a long-term downtrend, and wheat looks extremely weak. We look at gold. Gold is still in a definite downtrend, and right here in the mid-16s looks to be a great sale, especially with the strength in the U.S. dollar, because stronger dollars leads to lower commodity prices. We want to look at the oil market. Oil, other than the spike late last week, looks to be coming in. I look to be a seller of all commodities on any rally. I think that's the correct play to be made here, is to look for selling as the risk comes off and the market looks to be topping. It looks like the money is going into the safe assets, which is the U.S. dollar and U.S. Treasury bonds. This is what we have to focus on. And again, it's always about following the charts and following the levels and finding good opportunity for yourself. As I like to do, by predictions, this week I look for a flat Dow. Because of the holiday week, it's going to be shortened, and we could have some window dressing as we are reaching the end of the quarter. I look for gold and oil to be lower, but not significantly. I look for the grains to be lower, but there is a big report this week, so we also want to watch that. Again, I don't look for any significant major movement, especially this week, because it is a holiday week and because it looks to be the end of a quarter and there's a lot of marking going on. So, everybody, have a great holiday weekend. Enjoy your day off tomorrow. For the Bubba Show, it's Thursday. Have a great weekend, everybody.